In addition to Onshape's powerful parametric capabilities is a suite of best-in-class direct editing tools that enable you to manipulate any geometry you're working with, whether it's in your history-based models created in Onshape, imported geometry, or a combination of the two like I have here. The Move Face command contains many of the traditional direct editing capabilities you might expect, such as translation, rotation, and offset, so let's start by quickly going through each of these. With the Translate option enabled, I can select any face or combinations of faces, activate the Translation Direction field, and choose an edge to define the vector. I can click and drag the arrow graphically, or type in a value. Let me go ahead and relaunch the Move Face tool. This time I'll use the Rotate option. Here I can select any face that I wish to rotate, specify an axis for rotation, and again I can use the manipulator graphically or just type in the angle. The Offset option can produce similar results as the Translate option if you select planar faces, but this option is typically used for non-planar faces such as this cylinder, allowing me to type in an offset value to increase or decrease the radius. Besides Move Face, there are a few other direct edit commands here on the toolbar. Delete Face allows you to remove geometry from the model. In a simple case, I can just select a face to delete and click the green check. But let's take a look at a bit more complex geometry. I'll go ahead and click the Delete Face icon once more. If I wanted to get rid of this recess here, which is made up of quite a few faces, Onshape provides a convenient Create Selection tool available from the right-click menu. When I select it, the Create Selection pop-up appears, and if I expand the drop-down, you can see there are options for protrusion, pocket, hole, fillets, tangent connected, and bounded faces. In this case, I'll select Pocket and choose this bottom face of the recess. When I do, you can see 7 entities were selected. I'll select this filleted face, and now 13 entities are selected. Notice the Delete Face pop-up still does not have these items listed in the Delete Faces selection window. To add them, I just have to click Add Selections. When I do, I can close the Create Selections pop-up, and I'll click the green check, and the pocket faces are deleted. Let's take a look at one more direct editing tool, Replace Face. The Replace Face command is a powerful tool with many applications. It's essentially a way to trim or extend an existing face to a new surface. I went ahead and created a surface ahead of time, which I'll go ahead and show in the document. When I launch Replace Face, here I can select which face I would like to replace, or in other words, trim or extend, and the surface to replace it with. There is an option to offset along with the offset direction, but I'll leave this at its defaults and click OK. And I'll go ahead and hide the surface body.